Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I'm not in my kitchen. I'm outside walking and I'm getting some nice vitamin D. Well, hopefully the sun will come out even more. Getting in my steps, have my Fitbit on, and I love doing this before work. It just helps me have my me time and, of course, get in some exercise. Today's topic is about dun 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 getting back on track. I know it's not easy. So many people, especially depending on when you're watching this, right now it's the COVID pandemic. Can you believe what's going on in this world? All over the world? Who ever thought that we'd be going through this? Anyways, I know that when things started opening up and people were able to go back to their Weight Watcher wellness that works, I still call it Weight Watcher, places, their studios. I was told by many people that the COVID-19 was really the gain 19. Yikes. And, when people are in and you're stressed out and you're worried and you get depressed, because people, fear the unknown, which is normal, what do we start to do? Yes, we go back to our old habits and we start to eat, right? That's what happens. And it escalates. One day turns into 1 week, 1 month, and before you know it, you've spiraled out of control. And of course, that's happened to me in the past. Not anymore. I'm not letting that happen because, well, for obvious reasons, right? So, sure, we can think of all the reasons why not to be on track, and now we have to think of all the reasons to get back on track. The first thing to remember and think really hard about is your why. Why is this so important? Why does it matter? Why will it help you? All these whys are vital. Sometimes people are doing it for other people. I hope you're doing it for yourself because you're the most important person. Your health is the most important. And of course, for those of you who know me, I started my health journey years ago when I had fallen and, I had trouble just getting up and down the stairs. I wanted to get healthy, to do things with my daughter, with my family, with my friends. I wanted to feel better. I wanted to look better. I wanted, to be happier and be able to do so many more things that I couldn't do. Mindset is so important. Sure, your doctor, your friends, your family can tell you that you need to get on track. Sometimes it has to take a scare, a real scare to get you on track. And other times it just clicks and that light bulb goes off, right? And it's okay, I'm ready. And you really have to be ready. I'm just gonna change hands because my hand's getting tired. I don't have my selfie stick today. So you just have to be ready. And when you're mentally ready, everything will fall into place. Is there a simple, potion, a magic pill, a magic trick? No. it's dedication, perseverance, hard work, motivation. You know, all of these things will attribute to your journey and making it successful. Never giving up. Slow and steady wins the race, my friends. Is it easy? I'm not going to lie. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication and planning. You know, today, for example, I got up early. You know, sure, I could have slept in longer, but, you know, I set my alarm for 5:30 and I got up and I went walking. I'm out walking so that I could get in some extra exercise. But it's also good for my mental health. And of course, my physical health will, of course, benefit. So, setting goals, starting from somewhere. Sure, you're feeling overwhelmed. You're thinking, I need to lose, I'm just throwing it out there, say 50 pounds. You may have to lose less or more. And that seems so far, but you have to remember, you didn't put it on overnight. You're not going to take it off overnight. It takes time. So I like to think of 5-pound increments. And that will help you, because once you lose that first 5 pounds and you reward yourself, of course, don't wait for the 50 pounds to say, I'm going to buy something new or get something, you know, fun to exercise with. Like whatever it is, whatever the reward is, make sure you do. And then you feel so much more in control and empowered. Another really important tip is to meal plan. Having the right things in the house so you don't just grab all those snacks. Yeah, I know you have snacks. We all have snacks in our house. You can still have snacks, people. You find different snacks. And of course, I have my favorite snacks on my YouTube videos that I enjoy, and you know, just check them out. Look at the ingredients. That's really important. The nutritional information is key. So, you know, meal planning, meal prepping is really important. You know, change it up. Think about, you know, a few meals that you can make for the week. I always say make lots, so then you don't have to keep cooking every single day, because who wants to do that? You know, I made a pea soup, I make a big pea soup, I make sauce, I make a stir fry, I make burgers, meatballs, whatever it is, chicken, turkey, fish. Make sure you make a good amount, so then you can freeze some, you can have it, and then it's available to you. Okay, so getting in the food groups that you need that'll keep you satisfied and keep you fuller longer will really benefit you. So of course, you know, lean proteins, lots of vegetables, half your plate vegetables. You should have between 4 to 6 ounces of protein. Be careful with the amounts of fruits. For me, I mean, some people, they can eat a lot of fruit. I know I can't. A few fruits for me. So, you know, test it out. See how many fruits. If you're hungry, a fruit won't kill you. That's all I can say. And I know there's this whole controversy about blended fruit and making smoothies. If you're having a huge amount, like anything, of course. But if you're just having, you know, like a cupful, everything should be in moderation, as well as the fact that portion control is really key. So, if you are going to go out, which you will, again, don't deprive yourself, even if you've just started, and that you're going out. You can pre-plan. There is no reason why you can't ask them, when you go, or think about before. You can look at the menu, you can call the restaurant and find healthier options. There's always something, always, that you could find on a menu. And even if it's a restaurant that's maybe, higher in calories, so you just have half the plate, and make sure that you eat lots of vegetables before you go, fruit, protein, okay? And that will help you. Getting in some exercise. A lot of people feel like they're so sluggish. It's hard to move. You put on all this weight, and you have to start somewhere. So I found, for me, walking was the best because it's less stress on all your organs and your muscles. You can go slow, you can go fast. Put on some music, have my headphones here. Usually I have my water too, but I can't hold my phone and my headphones and talk if I'm drinking water. And then I have to go to the bathroom. That's a whole other story. So, find exercises that you enjoy. Go on YouTube. There's beginner exercises, even for people that are in chairs. My sister is in a wheelchair. And recently, I'm so proud of her because she was finally ready and motivated and inspired and determined to lose weight. And she's lost like 30 pounds, depending on when you're watching this. So hopefully, depending on, again, when you watch this, she'll be even further along on her journey. So they're really, people even in bed can find different bed exercises. You have to want it. Again, you have to really, really want it so bad that nothing will get in your way. Nobody will get in your way. Getting support is key. I found going to meetings for me were key. Having other people who are experiencing this along the way is key. So you can talk to people. My Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, of course, because, there are people that can empathize with what you're going through. And they can cheer you on, and they can inspire you with their stories. And also being accountable. And that's why I started my YouTube channel and my groups, because I want to show people that, I talk the talk and walk the walk, right? Really. And it helps me to stay in control as well and focused by helping and inspiring others. And you won't believe when you start your journey how many people you will inspire and help along the way as well, because that's what we want to do. We want to pay it forward so that we get everybody on a health kick. And again, it will take time. It will take lots of energy, but it will be worth it. You're worth it. You're number one. You're key. You want to live a longer life. You want to just feel good and move more. You want to be able to buy new clothes. You want to go places and feel confident. Even going to work and putting on new clothes, it makes you feel good. And when people notice, OMG, that's like probably the best, when people go, oh, something's different, because you're smiling more, you're standing up straighter, you physically, you're putting on nicer clothes again, or your old clothes are fitting you again. Yay. You're putting on makeup and perfume. Like, you're just making yourself feel better. So, and it's great. It's great not only, because you notice, it's really great when other people notice as well. I mean, talk about a confident booster, right? So, again, it's mindset, it's exercise, it's meals, grocery shopping, planning, cooking, finding things, treats that you like. That's why also I Risa-fy things. Risa-fy means that I like to modify all my comfort foods. Why not enjoy spaghetti and meatballs? Why not enjoy pizza and I make my 2-ingredient dough? Or whatever else I love. Ice cream sandwiches or muffins. I'm not going to buy muffins because they're so many calories rather, high in fat. So, you can make things. Don't be afraid to try. When you try new things, you have no idea what you can end up doing and creating. That's what happened to me. I had no idea that I could make all these different things. I mean, it does run in my family, but, when you do it yourself, you never know. You won't know until you try. So, again, we can make up all these excuses and reasons why we can't do this. And, I've never done that before. I've never baked. I've never exercised. I hate drinking water. I've heard that a lot of times. So, I love Perrier or, different carbonated drinks now that I used to hate because it keeps me fuller longer. And when you're hungry, a lot of things taste a lot better. So you just have to try new things. So again, find things that inspire you and you'll stay on track. You will. Writing things down, keeping a journal, that helps. And I know that it may take some time, but again, when you're ready, you will do this. The excuses will go away. You'll find time for yourself. You will set the realistic, attainable goals. And I know you can do this. So I got to get walking some more, even faster than I am right now. And I hope these tips were helpful for you. Okay. And again, there is just no easy answer. You just have to want it so bad more than anything else in your life. And then you will get what you want. You will attain these amazing goals. You will break the habits that you've had, okay? And I'm confident, and I hope that you're confident. And tell me what you think. Tell me how you're doing. Keep me apprised of your goals and your accomplishments, and reward yourself too, okay? I'm proud of you. You be proud of you. No more excuses, my friends. Love you guys. Take care. Bye for now.